Hello, I'm about to show you a quick demo, unfinished demo. What you see is the window, the platform, one of the possible platforms on which we will work. On this kind of platform, we will do mathematical calculations. The first operation you see is multiplication of two digits, 0 to 9, using a table. A simple table of multiplication. Now you can see an operation with already an answer inside it. The purpose of this is for operations, many operations that will be in the future, which will have already the result, or they will be in their result form, and you want to know how they got to the result. So sometimes you want to see the operation in the running state, in the execution, so that you will know how it actually came from one development to the other. And this operation, as you can see, is a adding of simple digits, also using a table. And this time we did a little slowing in the speed of the process, just that you will know that there are many parameters that the user can change and control. One of them is speed. You can make it slower or you can make it faster, as you wish. Now we're gonna make things a little bit faster, because we understood most of the operations. They are very similar. Now we see the square of a number, as you see. Now we're gonna see the division of a number, also using the same table. One thing to keep in mind is that whatever you see here in the video is limited by resolution and speed of the software that I'm recording the screen with it. And the operation you see in front of you now is the square root of a number using the same table. Up until now we have seen operations simple and fundamental. Now for the first time we see an operation that is using those operations. It means it's more complicated. And as you can see, this operation is a subtraction of integer numbers. The blinking that you saw up till now in every operation, the red blinking, is one of the methods to show and demonstrate for the student stuff like this, how the operation works. But this is just one of the possible methods. There's no limit to ideas that can be implemented in the software. One of them is like, for example, text that you can add to each operation about how it works, what it does, and everything that you wish to write there. Also in the future you can add the code, the software code of the operation, for people who are interested in the programming way of the operation. Now you can see in front of you the operation of adding numbers. this operation is about adding numbers, as many as you wish. For this matter, we will use properties. As you can see, there are many properties for this platform. One of them is factor or zooming. We will want to see all the operation runs in a zoomed way, this time in a smaller way. As you can see, this is one of the parameters, many parameters that the platform has. Now we're gonna see some additional options. One of those are switching from horizontal to vertical presentation. And also the option that all the operation has is moving and resizing proportionally the window of the operation. Now we're going to see the properties of the platform. Most of them are sizes, and one of them that we switching to false is the ability of remaining the operation in the platform without opening a new window. As you can see, the operation does exactly the same thing. The only difference is that it doesn't duplicate itself and opens a new window.